As a student, acquiring certain skills can greatly enhance your academic performance, personal growth, and future success. Here are 5 important skills to consider learning. Effective communication. Developing strong communication skills is crucial for success in both academic and professional settings. This includes being able to articulate ideas clearly, listen actively, and engage in effective written and verbal communication. Time management. Learning how to manage your time efficiently is essential for balancing academic responsibilities, extracurricular activities, and personal commitments. Effective time management helps you prioritize tasks, meet deadlines, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Critical thinking. Developing critical thinking skills enables you to analyze information, evaluate arguments, and make informed decisions. It involves asking questions, examining evidence, and considering different perspectives to arrive at well-reasoned conclusions. Problem solving. Being able to identify, analyze, and solve problems is a valuable skill in various aspects of life. Problem-solving skills involve assessing challenges, brainstorming solutions, and implementing effective strategies to overcome obstacles. Information literacy. In today's digital age, being able to find, evaluate, and effectively use information is crucial. Information literacy skills involve the ability to navigate through vast amounts of information, distinguish reliable sources, and apply critical thinking to research and knowledge acquisition. These skills are not only beneficial for your academic journey but also serve as a strong foundation for lifelong learning and success in various professional fields. By actively developing these skills, you can enhance your academic performance, improve your problem-solving abilities, and prepare yourself for future challenges and opportunities.